the MeToo movement that, remember, has taken the Malayalam film industry by storm ever since the release of Justice Hema Committee report. The allegations continue to send shockwaves in the industry. A total of 11 FIRs have been registered until now as women from the Malayalam film industry continue to come forward with charges of sexual misconduct. In the latest, the opposition continues to build pressure on the government, demanding the resignation of actor and CPI MLA Mukesh, who has been accused of sexual misconduct by multiple actors. Congress workers launched a protest outside the Chief Minister's residence late night, and amid increasingly strident calls for his resignation, the Kerala CPIM secretary held a meeting with its party members indicating a decision to be out soon on Mukesh's political fate. Meanwhile, Mukesh's lawyer has blamed the complainant and is accused of using the situation for her personal benefit. Listen in.
There is a very severe allegation against him from one of an actress, but this is from almost 15 years ago. And right now we are seeing that you have moved an anticipatory bail in the Ernakulam court, and there has been a temporary stay on the arrest also.
No, this arrest has been withheld for 6 days.
6 days.
It is just withholding it for 6 days.
So we could see your defense in the petition that you filed. There is complete denial of all allegations. Is it true?
Absolutely. See, she is a law graduate. She claims that she is a PhD holder. She has a father. She was working in an international law firm. Now, she has been abused by 7 persons in past 15 years. No complaints so far. And no, after 15 years, after she has not given a statement to the Hema committee also. Now, on a fine morning, she comes and says that, see, X was abused, Y was abused, Z was abused. You cannot accept it without a pinch of salt.
Okay.
And there are ever so many circumstances which will pinpoint to the allegation that it is a falsely fabricated case. Ever so many things are there. There are documentary evidence are there, circumstances are there, all pinpoints to the falsity of this case.
The SIT probe in the allegations have begun. One of the complainants who levelled allegations against top actors recorded her statement today and expressed faith in the Pinarayi Vijayan-led government.
ഇപ്പോഴും അതേപോലെ ഒരു മാറ്റമില്ല, ഉറച്ചു തന്നെ നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. രഹസ്യമൊഴിയിൽ എല്ലാ തെളിവുകളോടും കൂടി സത്യസന്ധമായിട്ട് ദൈവസത്യവും ഇട്ടിട്ടാണ് ജഡ്ജിനോട് എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും തുറന്നു പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഈ ഒരു ആർജവം എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി തന്ന ഏതെങ്കിലും സ്ത്രീ അപമാനിക്കപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, ആക്രമിക്കപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ പരാതിയുമായി മുന്നോട്ട് വന്നാൽ അവർ ഏത് പ്രമുഖനായാലും അവർക്കെതിരെ ഞങ്ങൾ ആക്ഷൻ എടുക്കും എന്ന ആർജവത്തിലാണ് ഞാൻ ഇത്രയും ബോൾഡായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഈ പരാതിയുമായി ഞാൻ ഇറങ്ങിയത്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും കേസിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും കഴിഞ്ഞു. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഈ ഒരു അവസരത്തിൽ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയോട് നന്ദി പറയാണ്.
National Commission for Women has also taken note of the matter and has directed the Vijayan-led government to punish the full report. I'm given to understand my colleague Varshini is joining us for more details. Varshini, good morning. Given the kind of allegations that has been levelled, more of course allegations also coming to the fore, that is many things as far as the investigation is concerned is one aspect of it, but more important, how they plan to navigate this as far as these particular actors who are now under the radar for these serious allegations levelled against them.
Well, all of the procedures from now on will only be legally taken forward, is what the Kerala government is very clearly established, because the Kerala government is very keen on, taking this forward as a legal process. In fact, when they make promises about how this would be clearly investigated, that is when the SIT was formed, and we are able to see on the ground that the SIT is moving from every corner of the state to ensure that every witness and every victim and every accused is also being put in this matter. And now we see back-to-back FIRs also being filed on every single person who a victim comes out and files a complaint about. Therefore, right now, we are able to see that Director Ranjit has been slapped with a second FIR because of another actor who put out allegations against. And that is the kind of, action or the process we are able to witness at this point of time in this matter. But apart from that, on the other hand, we are able to see that the people who are being accused in this matter, they are also moving to the courts. They are also trying to move legally, like, for example, MLA Mukesh, who had already filed an anticipatory bail in the Ernakulam court, and he's also taken a temporary stay on his arrest for the next 5 days. Therefore, there is legal proceedings also starting on all the directions. It is a very long battle that these victims have to fight, what we are able to see at this point. But both the side of the victim and the accused are ready to put on that fight, is what is very clear now. Whether the film industry is going to stand with the victims or will they continue to hide or protect the accused is what is something that we'll all have to wait and watch.